Oh, you excited, buddy? Easy, Taylor. You about to get your nails cut. You just don't know it. Oh, yeah. Ready to get your collar on? What do you think, Bruce? What do you think, buddy? What are you doing? You ready to go? Hold on. Let me open the window. All right, go on. Get in. Go. Bruce, get in. Look, get in. Good boy. What do you think, Bruce? You ready to go, buddy? I think you're gonna be pretty ticked off when you realize where you're going. Bruce, look. Hey. All right, we officially got Fat Boy's vaccine records. Look at that, 91 pounds. That is ridiculous, Bruce, ridiculous. You need to lose some weight. All right, Fat Boy, what are you doing? We've arrived, your arch nemesis. Dun dun dun.
Yeah.
There he is. Do they have mats over here? Trying not to draw attention to myself, but Bruce, he's in there by himself and he's got like all 8 of the ladies in there like trying to restrain him. He's not meaning anything, he just hates having his feet touched. So hopefully they let me come back. Wish us luck. Bruce. Good boy, I'm proud of you, you did good. So there was like 5 ladies in there and they were all surrounded and he was jerking away. They had to restrain him, but he was very happy to see me when the whole process was over with. But his nails are better, they were too long. He's in good shape now. Hey, big fella, no, hey, go inside.